Thank
Tell
you.
us about your attire.
Well, this collection from Craftsvilla, like you can see, is very strange that I'm talking to you, but I'm looking there. But this collection is very wearable. It's comfortable. It's casual, and it looks stylish as well. I think all the girls out there would want to dress up like this summer because it's really hot outside. We're in AC now, but it's really hot outside. So wearing something like this is cool and comfortable and very nice looking. I think it looks really stylish, fashionable.
The Craftsvilla is always known for its Indian attire. Always you will see the Indian touch in it.
Yes.
So what do you like to say about it?
I'm glad to be associated with it today because Craftsvilla is known for its Indian and its ethnic wear as well as its Western wear. So both of them, and I think Indian women are women who can wear both. You can wear traditional and look nice, and you can wear Western and look nice as well. I think we're the few women in the world who can pull off both looks really nicely. So I'm glad to be associated with a brand that does both. So yes, this is kind of Indo-Western. What I'm wearing right now, it's not extremely traditional. So it has like influences of both.
So in real life, what do you prefer more, Western or Indian? Because in Twitter you have said gown or sari.
Yeah, oh my god, he's the best talker, I always tell him. Best talker, but I don't know, it depends what you're going for. And usually the character that I'm playing in a movie, that somehow becomes your personal style for that amount of time. So sometimes, mostly, like if I'm doing a South movie, it's usually Indian, and then I end up wearing like a bindi and kurta or something like that. But if it's a red carpet, then maybe gowns. I really like wearing gowns, but I love wearing saris also. But in a day-to-day basis, I think something like this is comfortable and looks stylish as well, because you can't wear a gown or a sari if you're going for a movie or if you're just going out of your house for a meeting or something. That would be a little strange.
She is also known for a style icon for the youth. So what do you like to say or any tips? Because nowadays,
Thank you.
nowadays more hot is there. So
Uh,
what do you like to give
tips?
Any tips?
Yeah, I think you can choose comfortable fabrics, natural fabrics like cotton, and avoid wearing synthetic stuff because you'd burst out into rashes maybe. And just keep cool, and like I said, on usual daily basis, you can't be wearing very elaborate things nowadays, and people like wearing casual stuff, and casual stuff that's trendy and comfortable. If you can do that and be ethnic as well, there's nothing like it. So.
Shweta, what two things you carry in summer?
What two things I carry in summer?
Yeah. Summer.
Water bottle and a smile on my face to combat with the very hot sun outside.
Subscribe now to receive new updates, reviews and news.